Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Chrysler 300 engine. First, ensure your vehicle is on a stable, level surface and the parking brake is engaged. Gather all necessary tools, including an engine hoist, jack stands, and a complete socket set. Safety is paramount, so wear appropriate personal protective equipment throughout the process. Before you begin, disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent any electrical shorts. Next, drain all engine fluids, including the engine oil and coolant, into appropriate containers for disposal. Removing the hood and windshield cowl assembly will provide much better access to the engine bay. Finally, disconnect all electrical connectors, vacuum lines, and hoses attached to the engine. Now, detach the exhaust system from the engine manifolds. You may choose to remove the transmission separately or support it if removing the engine and transmission as one unit. Disconnect all power steering, fuel, and air conditioning lines, ensuring proper containment of fluids. Finally, unbolt the engine mounts from the frame and remove any remaining brackets or sensors that secure the engine. With all components disconnected, attach an engine hoist securely to the designated lifting points on the engine. Before lifting, perform a final check to ensure all connections are completely free and nothing is still attached. Slowly raise the engine, carefully watching for any obstructions or snagging points. Guide the engine out of the engine bay, ensuring a smooth and controlled removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.